Hello beautiful people, today on our menu is Nigerian delicious puff puff. These are the ingredients and the items that are required for this recipe. Watch this video to the end and see how we achieve this result. I have my clean bowl right here. I'm going to be adding my 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of nutmeg, half tablespoon of vanilla essence, 2 cups of water. Then I'm going to mix it thoroughly until it becomes very smooth and soft. Then you are required to cover it for the yeast to rise up, and you leave it to sit in a warm environment or a hot place for it to rise properly for like I left mine for like 1 hour 30 minutes if I'm precise. And when you open it, this is what you're gonna get. Don't freak out, it's becoming soft. All you need to do is stir it some more to take out the hair in the batter. Then we have our hot oil on the frying pan. Always use a deep pan so you have enough room for your batter, and also to have enough quantity of vegetable oil, and let it heat up before you start frying. And you want to be able to put your batter very fast so some will not get too brown while the others are still fresh, like mine is looking. So when you see this, you just turn down the heat a little bit of your stove so you won't have some burnt puff puff. And you also notice that when I start stirring, some of the puff puff will refuse to turn. All I just need to do is use my frying spoon at the end. I'll put those ones that refuse to turn in the frying spoon, turn them around, and leave it in the frying spoon while it fries till it becomes golden brown. I hope you enjoyed this video, or I hope you learned something from it. Try it at home, it's very easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.